Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your PC name and your IP address, Windows 11. Are you ready? So let's get started. Uh, open, there are two ways to check your PC name. First of all, I will show you uh, by using GUI. Okay, click on start menu and then setting, and then choose a system and go down here. We have option which is about. Click on about. As you can see here, we have device name. This is my device name. Uh, that's the first way you can check your PC name, and you can also rename from here, as you can see. And at the same time, you can also check using CMD. Okay, type CMD and then uh, type host name and enter. As you can see, this is my PC name. And how to check your IP address by using IP config and enter. Okay. And as you can see, IP version 4 address. This is my IP address. That's how you can check your PC name and your IP address. That's it, guys. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.